In this video, I'll show you the different ways you can edit the results page of your quiz created with the RevenueHunt Quiz app. First, open your quiz builder and make sure your quiz is already set up, that you've added your questions and customized the quiz design. Once that's done, go to the Results Pages tab. Here, you'll find several options to customize what customers see at the end of the quiz. You can have one or multiple results pages. To add another, click Add Results Page. If you create more than one, remember that you'll need to use jump logic to send users to the correct results page. Otherwise, everyone will be directed to the default one, Results Page 1. If you don't need multiple results pages, you can delete any extras by opening their settings and clicking Remove. Now, let's explore the results page settings. Click on the results page title to open the settings panel. Here, you can rename the results page. Add a background image specific to this page. This can be different from your quiz background. Just click Select Image, choose one from your store or upload a new one, and adjust its opacity so your text remains readable. Customize the recommendations. For example, you can allow or prevent duplicate product recommendations across different product blocks. Configure the checkout bar. You can show or hide it, display or hide the Retake Quiz button, and enable or disable the Add All to Cart option. Choose what happens when users add products to cart. They can either go to the cart page or skip straight to checkout. Add a discount code specific to this results page. Just make sure it's first created in your Shopify discount section. Add custom CSS or custom JavaScript to give this page unique styling or functionality. Each results page is made up of sections. By default, there's one section, but you can add more by clicking Add Section. Each section has its own display logic, allowing you to show or hide sections based on quiz answers. This is especially useful for personality quizzes or text-based recommendations. You can delete any section you don't need by clicking the trash icon. Sections contain blocks, the building elements of your results page. Click Add Block to see all available types. You can add text blocks, heading or text, visual blocks, image or video, a button block linking to an external URL or another page, a custom HTML block for custom code, or product-related blocks like product, variant, or collection. Each block type has its own settings. In a heading block, you can edit the text, style it, bold, italic, and even use dynamic content. For example, recall a customer's quiz answer to personalize the heading with their name. You can adjust text size, small, medium, or large, and alignment, left, center, or right. In an image block, you can upload an image, set alternative text for accessibility, choose the image size, and adjust alignment. In a video block, first upload the video to your Shopify content files, then you can select it here. You can adjust the aspect ratio, add alternative text, and change alignment. In a button block, you can edit the button text, set the link URL, and decide whether it opens in a new tab. You can also adjust alignment. In a custom HTML block, you can add snippets of code to apply additional styling or features. Now, let's focus on the product block, which is usually the most important part of your results page. In the Recommended Products block, you can choose what type of products to show, main products, variants, or collections. Select the recommendation system, either dynamic, based on customer responses, where you link products to quiz choices, or fixed, where you manually select specific products to always show. customize how each product appears using the product components layout. In this layout, you can rearrange every product element. For example, move the product title above the image, adjust the image ratio or quality, and decide whether to optimize images for faster loading. You can also add more elements to the product card, such as custom text with dynamic variables, metafields, a product description preview, a product link button, vendor information, reviews by connecting a review app like Judge.me or Looks, and even a subscription option. If your product supports subscriptions, you can also adjust the overall layout. For example, whether products are stacked or displayed side by side, and how titles and prices are aligned. At any point, you can preview your results page in both desktop and mobile views using the device toggle. Once you're happy with your layout and design, click Save. You can then preview your full quiz and go through it to see exactly how the results page will appear to customers. And that's it. That's how you edit and fully customize your quiz results page using the RevenueHunt app. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.